Good morning, love. So I usually get up before Amira in the morning, enjoy a little sunrise, and get all my teeth brushed, skincare routine going for the day. I tend to go through cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and my sun cream and get ready just so I can enjoy some me time. Then I go downstairs, get breakfast going, make her a hot chocolate in the morning, and she usually has either oats porridge or she can have bagel, an egg, and then in her hot chocolate it's always oat milk or almond milk. Then I get my coffee going, of course, and I tend to keep it pretty simple in the morning, just some oat milk with some black coffee and usually about 1 to 2 scoops of sugar depending on how I'm feeling. Then we get our vitamins going. I give her these gummy vitamins as well as an immune boost, which I give her to drink every morning. Then I sort of go through, decide what we wear that day, and hit the road. And on our way today, it was so cute. We see these dogs every now and then. Said our little hello. Oh, they're so cute. And Mirajay loves doggies as well, so that's always lovely to see. Right, so we're just at the nail salon now. They're always so cute. They usually give us sort of a cup of coffee or tea, and then the girl, she was really well. All I do is pick like my favorite designer, whatever, show it to her, and she's usually amazing, or he, depending on who's working that day, at recreating and getting exactly what I want. So Amira J did so good at getting her nails done. She was so still and so patient, and this is just her sort of waiting for them to dry. This is usually when she gets a bit, more irritated, like, come on mummy, are they dry yet? But honestly, she's so good, and she just totally enjoys girly things like this with mummy all the time, so that's amazing. Look, she's so excited. Then we went to McDonald's and got some food. I got quarter pounder, and Amira J got chicken nuggets meal as usual, and then we enjoyed that together. There she is doing the happy dance. Food means dancing, because why not?
I never did my face before that.
Which one did you pick?
A butterfly.
Butterfly.
A butterfly.
Butterfly.
A butterfly.
Face mate.
Someone came over and offered to give her face painting, so that was exciting. Ready? Oh, kill 'em, Bucky. Check my emails just to make sure I'm replying to brands that have reached out to me via Instagram and YouTube wanting me to do collab, and I have some really exciting ones coming up, such as some of L'Oreal and Fresh, and some skincare brands.
So that is it pretty much for the day. We hope you guys enjoyed coming for a day out with us today. Just wanted to show you guys my nails. So this is a finished product. I got A for Amira and also 92 there. She did a really good job. I left her a nice tip as well because she did a great job. Usually try to find a quiet time in the day to sort of go through all my emails, respond to brands and deal with follow-up collabs and things like that. And that's usually done on a daily basis. Try to do it on a daily basis just because you don't want to leave emails too long without responding. And then I also will insert a package that I got recently. Okay guys, speaking of collabs, I wanted to show you guys quickly. I collaborated with this brand called Packed and I'm so excited. They specialize in frozen superfood smoothie kits and it's super convenient because everything just comes together. So I want to tell you guys, I got the power smoothie, this one here. So banana, blueberry, spinach, cauliflower, date and avocado plus cocoa, pea protein, pumpkin seed and matcha. Now this sounds amazing. I can't wait to try this. I also got the organic tropical fruit. I don't think it's on here, but they're on their own. And I also got the boost kit, which has banana, cherry, blueberry, carrot, strawberry, goji berries, flaxseed, sunflower seed, a whole bunch, ginseng, a whole bunch of stuff in there. Let me show you guys what I got. So here we are. This first one here is the boost smoothie mix. Here we have the energy smoothie pack. This is the power smoothie pack. So the organic strawberries, tropical fruits, again pineapple, mango, passion fruit. Love me some passion fruit. And the power superfood, this is the sachet that they were talking about on there. You put that in there. This is the boost one and then you have your energy one. So super convenient, easy to use. Let me know if you guys would like to see me make these and do a taste test. So I wanted to show you one more thing. I purchased this because I've seen it around TikTok and I purchased it, and the only reason I'm showing you guys is because I love it and it's genuinely worth the craze that's happening right now. So it is a velvet powder puff and it comes in the pack of 2 in this, and I've already started using one, but you put your fingers in here and you use it to set under the eye and you know your overall face and stuff. It's really good. So I just wanted to come and show you guys that. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for joining us today. Yeah, see you in another video. Bye loves.